I have designed a 6 hour course out of this ancient Indian scripture for various age groups of children from 8 to 12 years of age, teenagers from 13 to 19 years, youth from 20 to 35 years, and parents. I have also designed chapter wise learnings for educators and interested adults, that is an hour for each chapter. This course is being conducted online since November 2020, and so far more than 500 students and adults have taken advantage of these learnings. The learners also get an e-certificate of completion. Objectives of this course: to introduce our young generation to the Bhagavad Gita, one of the oldest and the most widely read, most sought after scripture of ancient India by the people all over the world; to generate curiosity in the young minds about why this book has been there for generations, a guide to many celebrities from Gandhi to Einstein and so on; to provide a route to the rich cultural heritage of the country, and to apply the valuable learnings in their life as soon as possible. What are the benefits and outcomes? The ideals given at an early age through the teachings of the Gita stays in the subconscious mind of children. It supplies them with courage to face the challenges life will throw them at each step. Learn how to practice action without desire. Truth about life helps to attain freedom from superstition and false belief. Develop faith in themselves and their country. Learning and reciting shlokas help to improve memory, concentration, voice culture development, improving lung capacity. Sanskrit learning pronunciations have power to stimulate chakras and nadis, enhancing health. Group and peer learning instills pride in the culture. Learnings with the help of stories and activities, and during these sessions children learn few lessons as follows. They find a mantra for everlasting happiness, realize that our mind can be our enemy or friend depending on how we can control our senses, understand what is the difference between our duty and our responsibility, learn that one should follow the principle of not attached to outcome. Desire, anger, and greed are the root cause of all the sins. We must see everyone with equal eye. Importance of nutritious food, as we are what we eat. And God is everywhere in our hearts too. So look inside, talk to yourself. Krishna tells Arjun, this is how your mind should be controlled. You should make your mind your friend. See, we have five senses, no children? Five senses are like this five horses. And this man is our mind. If we carry properly, control these five horses in our mind, then our mind becomes our friend. And if we don't control even you one, only have the right to perform your duty, but you are not entitled to the fruits of your action. Never consider yourself the cause of the result of your activities, and do not be attached to inaction. But when we don't ask ourselves what happens, you in your mirror nowadays, yesterday also I saw that when there was so much of wind blowing and too much of dust coming, the mirror became foggy, and unless you clean it you can't even see your face. Same happens with our own mind or intellect. We don't talk to ourselves, our inner self, and what happens? Gradually there is a dust accumulating over.
So, in this amazing session of Bhagavad Gita, I must say that I really enjoyed it. And I loved how Krishna explains his different lessons to Arjuna. That wonderful part, the Bhagavad Gita taught me
Good
so
evening.
many.
Thank you will be too small a word, I know. But my biggest takeaway will be, first though the food habits, develop sattvic as much as I can. The second will be control of anger, which has in
do
fact
your karma without expecting the results. That's a good thing. So that means then we will feel like doing it, but you don't expect it, and when you don't expect it, something will come, so you will be happy also.
You get better than what you have
Yeah,
expected.
correct.
actually.
Correct. And another thing also, what I have learned today is that what you have is not yours. That is what you have got it from the God. I mean, from Krishna or from
Yes,
Lord.
yes.
So you are giving from what you have got it. So nothing belongs to us. So that is again a good thing. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. And I.
Thank you for the
Thank you, Dee.
wonderful session.